In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slides with quotes in PowerPoint. This is a fantastic way to make your presentations more engaging and impactful. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is up and running, you can either open an existing presentation or start a new one. Navigate through your files to open the presentation you want to work on, or start fresh with a blank template. With your presentation open, look at the top of your screen and find the Insert tab. Click on Insert, and among the options, select Text Box. This tool will allow you to add the quote you wish to highlight on your slide. Click anywhere on the slide to place the text box and start typing your quote. Make sure the text box is large enough to hold the entire quote without appearing cramped, as readability is key. Next, we want to add a visually appealing element to make the quote stand out. Go back to the Insert tab and click on Icons. In the search bar, type quotation marks and hit Enter. You'll see a variety of quotation mark icons to choose from. Pick one that best suits the theme or tone of your presentation. Click Insert to add it to your slide. The icon will appear in its default size, but you can easily adjust it. Position it near your text, either next to the quote or in a corner where it complements the text visually. To resize, click on the icon and drag the corners to make it bigger or smaller. Keep in mind that balance and spacing help maintain a professional appearance. And there you have it, a slide enhanced with a beautifully styled quote ready to captivate your audience. These additions emphasize the quote visually and help convey your message more effectively. Practice with different fonts and icons until you find a combination that feels just right for your presentation. Thanks for joining me in today's tutorial on how to create slides with quotes in PowerPoint. Be sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and happy presenting.